Hello friends, welcome to Letstute. As we all know, due to the outbreak of COVID, many schools and colleges have transitioned from in-person classes to online classes. Studying from home can be really challenging because of the distractions from the family members, pets, televisions, bed, etc. Due to which you will not feel as motivated and as productive as you used to feel during offline classes. So, to make this problem a bit more manageable, we are going to give you some tips that will make your life easy while studying from home. So, let's start. Tip number 1. Get dressed like you're going outside. If you stay in your pajamas all day, you're unlikely to feel productive or motivated. So, even if you're not going to classes, just get up in the morning, take a shower and get dressed up like you're going outside. This will make you mentally ready for studying at home. Tip number 2. Follow a routine. Prepare a routine for the day using an old spreadsheet method and note down all the important things you do in a day, like at what time to wake up, what time to sit for online lectures, etc. Because having an established routine can provide a proper structure to your life. Tip number 3. Avoid social media during lectures. It's very important to avoid social media if you want to stay focused during the online lectures. Instead, try taking notes during the online classes. This will keep your hands busy and you will be more focused to the class content. Tip number 4. Take frequent breaks. Studying for longer hours is not as productive as you think because your mind needs to switch off from time to time. So taking frequent breaks from the books will help you in maintaining focus and productivity. Tip number 5. Have a designated area for online lectures. Whether it's the kitchen table, your hall area or the table in the bedroom. Just create an area that is designated for studying. Also, never sit on the bed or your sofa for studying because they are meant for relaxation and sitting on them for studies will make you feel sleepy. So these were some proven and effective tips that can help you in maintaining productivity and avoiding laziness while studying. Also, if you want more tips on how to study from home, then comment below saying we want part 2 video. Hope you like this information. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.